Hey there, welcome back to Finergy. If you're tired of feeling stuck in your financial journey, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 essential steps you need to take control of your money, make smart financial decisions, and start building real wealth. So grab a pen and paper, because this is going to be packed with actionable advice. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with a financial plan. The first thing you need to do is create a financial plan. That means understanding exactly where your money is going and setting clear, realistic goals. Are you saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or maybe you want to invest for the future? It doesn't matter what your goal is. What matters is having a plan that works for you. A budget is a great place to start. There are plenty of apps that can help you track your spending. Once you know where your money's going, you can make better choices to keep more of it. Step 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now, let's talk about cutting unnecessary expenses. Trust me, we all have those little things we spend money on without even realizing it. It could be that daily coffee run, subscriptions you barely use, or that impulse purchase every time you walk into a store. To start saving more, identify those small leaks in your spending. It might sound like a lot, but when you cut out a few unnecessary expenses, it can add up quickly. Remember, small changes can lead to big financial results. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Next up, building an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable. You don't want to be caught off guard when an unexpected expense hits. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small and build it up over time. The peace of mind you'll get knowing you have a financial safety net is priceless. Step 4. Eliminate bad debt. Bad debt, like credit card debt, can drain your finances quickly. If you're carrying high-interest debt, it's time to get serious about paying it off. Start by paying down the smallest debt first, then move on to the next one. The snowball effect will keep you motivated as you watch those balances shrink. And remember, paying off debt is an investment in your future. The less debt you have, the more money you can put towards saving and investing. Step 5. Invest for the long term. Now let's talk about growing your wealth. Investing. If you want to make your money work for you, you have to invest. Don't wait until you think you have enough money. Start with small amounts. What's important is starting. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even retirement accounts like 401k, or IRAs. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. The magic of compound interest is real. Your money can work harder than you can. Step 6. Keep learning. Financial education is key. The more you learn about personal finance, investing, and managing money, the better you'll be at making informed decisions. There are so many free resources online, like blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels. Wink, wink. Keep reading, keep learning, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you understand, the more confident you'll be in your financial decisions. Step 7. Be patient and stay consistent. Finally, be patient. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, consistency, and discipline. Stay committed to your financial goals. And remember, small progress over time can lead to big results. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, and stay focused on your long-term vision. All right, that's it for today's video on how to take control of your finances and start building wealth. I hope these steps were helpful to you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Finergy, and share this with anyone who needs a financial boost. Let me know in the comments what your next financial goal is, and let's chat about it. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial future starts today.